y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're new here or this your first time, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to share some new stuff I bought, and also I want to share what bag I am carrying at the moment. Tamika, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead jump straight into this here video. So before I get started, I wanted to say, hey everyone, I hope all is well. Been on here to sit down and really talk to y'all. Like I said, I pre-filmed out videos, but I feel like I want to get on here and just, I don't know, talk to y'all. See what's going on, what's new, what's what. To interrupt this here video and share a unboxing. I have reviewed this company a few times because when I tell you, I love Ana Luisa pieces, like in love. I am wearing two of my Ana Luisa pieces. I've been stacking my Ana Luisas, like I have this hair necklace on with this little heart, bracelets. And the best thing about Ana Luisa, you all, if you don't know, I'm that girl that don't wear costume jewelry because I don't like to take my jewelry off. It's my earrings and my rings and my watch. But far as my necklace, I don't have time to like constantly take things off. So when I tell you all, I have kept these on and I get in the shower and they do not tarnish or turn. I did pick out two pieces, you all, and if you don't know, the holidays is coming. You got Black Friday, you got Christmas, you got birthdays, you got all type of holidays that's coming around the corner, y'all. Everybody loves a piece of jewelry. A pair of earrings and a bracelet. Packaging is a little different from before. Earrings, so that's why it comes in this little box. Keep that in mind. It's the little heart. I like to wear a little dainty earring. Like, look how cute this earring is, you all. Like, look how cute. How cute this hair bracelet is. So I plan to put it on this here wrist with my other jewelry. This here is my gold side. So here is the bracelet. I just can't put it on right now. And you can adjust it because as you can see, I have a small wrist. Bracelet is. Like, it's my stacks. Let me move these here bracelets out the way so y'all can see. So y'all, let me just tell you, Ana Luisa, you get all my money because hands down my absolute favorite jewelry brand, y'all. I'm telling you. And when I wear this, I don't plan to take it off. So this will also go in the shower with me. Because I don't know, I just don't have time to like take all my pieces off every night. I will have a link down below for you all so you can click on it so y'all can take advantage. Because I'm telling you, if you want to be cutesy like Miss Tamika, go on and click that link so we can be twinsies up in here and you go get you some Ana Luisa. Because look how cute these earrings are. Like, okay. And here is the packaging. And it has a little something on the inside. It says, you are looking so fine. Yes, you are. So again, you all, please don't forget to click that link so y'all can take advantage. Like I said, if there's any sales going on or any promotions, I will leave everything down in the description box. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to share what I got from Ana Luisa. I did purchase some stuff from Shein, and I have a mini Shein haul. I put everything in this here bag. I did upgrade, and y'all, this thing has been a game changer for me. You hear me? I took this from my Sephora friend, and when I tell you this is the best thing ever if you are a content creator, because let me show you. Like, look, it just sticks. And you can make videos, you could do whatever. Like if you doing like a skincare routine, you can place this in your bathroom on the mirror and oh my gosh, you all, game changer. Get into the real chit chat. I wanted to share what I bought. Like I said, this here I got from a brand rep. Because when brand reps come in, sometimes they bring little pouches and bags, y'all. And I told y'all before, I'm addicted to pouches. See a cute pouch, I'm like, oh, can I get one? Like, addicted, y'all. So I got this here Chloe pouch. What I'm gonna do with it, but I got it. So this is the Shein stuff, y'all. These hair glasses, because these here are my absolute favorite. These are my second pair, but I did notice, like, here's the first pair I bought, the lens are a little scratched. So I bought these, and these are not scratched, but I was like, let me just order a few more just to have a backup. Well, they sold out of these, so I can't get them. So I ended up purchasing these here. Let me show you. So ooh, they cute. So I ended up purchasing these, you all. When I tell you these things are so cute. I mean, they are a little extra, but if you know me, you know I'm extra. That's my name, Miss Tamika, aka extra, extra, extra. So yeah, I laid my own wig. I'm not a professional. I put some got to be, what is it? Got to be glue spray and laid my wig and put the band on it. So if it's not perfect, y'all, I'm sorry. These glasses from Shein, and they were under $6. They were under $10. I want to say like 6 or 7. Nice and look good. So I got these hair glasses. I got a panty girdle clear pouch for work because they give us this Sephora pouch, y'all. When I tell you, that thing just looks so nasty, and I'm that person that I can't deal with stuff that don't look. Okay, what's going on? So yeah, and it just turned, I'll have to show you the pouch, but it just looks nasty. On clear pouch. So I just got this clear pouch.
Someone was detected at your front door.
I'm waiting for the maintenance man to come so he can replace my air filter. The little suction things. Let me see. The extra black in there. Okay, won't he do it? So now I can get my daughter one. Okay, so I got this here. Let me get my daughter one. Bought this so when I use foundation, I can put it on here instead of the back of my hand. Do like a whole big order. I just did like small stuff. And another pair of glasses. I got these hair glasses. These hair feel cheap, but you know, these are the ones that feel nice. These hair rhinestones to like put on my face. Because you know, with the holidays coming up, I like to, again, I'm extra, so I bought these to put on my face. Hello Kitty hand sanitizer thing. You're supposed to be able to refill this. I have to see where you even buy the refill stuff at. I should have looked into that before I bought it, before I purchased that. These are the other pair of glasses that I bought from Shein. But I think I'm going to put these on. I don't know which ones, but I don't know. I'm going to keep these on for now. So I'm going to just switch them out. Oh, and I did buy 2 lunch bags, a Hello Kitty, a pink one, and then I replaced my daughter's lunch bag. And then I bought this here, the work bag for work to, I don't know, carry it. But if not, I can use it to like put my laptop in it when I want to sit outside. I'm gonna put these on because I like the color. And then I went to Five and Below, y'all, because I saw this on TikTok and I was like, oh, let me see if I can find it. The first day I went, I couldn't find it. Today I saw that they were restocking, so I was like, let me go see if they have this particular item. And sure enough, they did. Hand sanitizers. And these are like the Touchland dupes. Now let's see. I bought a peach and a strawberry. My friend gonna be like, why you ain't get me one? I'm gonna see how these here smell. They smell good. I'm gonna go ahead and get her one too, because we doing Christmas gift stuff. Probably get her and put it in her little. It smell good. Okay. Like you can smell the peach. Like it doesn't smell cheap. I got the peach, and let's see what strawberry smells like. I think they had watermelon, so you can't go wrong. I was like, if it's not good, then I just won't buy anymore. But they pretty good. Ooh, the strawberry smell nice. This hair brand, y'all, I love their glosses. They have that silver applicator. Is they, I think, fall scent. And this hair is in the shade Latte. Ooh, so this one is not silver. The first one I bought has a silver applicator. So this one here is plastic fur. This silver, but whatever. And this here ColourPop was on sale for $7, and it's called It's a Date. Ooh, I don't know, y'all. I wanted just a lip gloss. Let me see what this looks like. It smells like something. I couldn't try it, but she said it smells like cupcakes or vanilla. Did I purchase one of these before and I didn't? I like these. I think I remember purchasing this because I remember trying to pull the applicator out and stuff was getting everywhere. Okay, I think I remember that. All right, so let's try this here gloss. Ooh. This one is nice. I like this one. I don't know too much about this. I remember buying this now. I don't know what color, but I do remember buying this, and I think I took it back because I think every time I pulled it out, a product was getting everywhere. That was everything that I bought myself today. I wanted to show you the bag that I am carrying at the moment, y'all. To bring her out because I was feeling speedy vibes. Tilt the camera down so y'all can focus on the bag. Say I'm that person when people do what's in my bag video, I like to see the bag. And I put this here cherry on here because I've been seeing everybody with this here cherry. This is the actual Coach cherry, but I do know you can purchase this off of Amazon, but it won't be the Coach version. I don't know what version it is, but it won't be the Coach version. And I got a receipt from Dunkin' Donuts. I had Ulta vlogging camera because I was going to vlog. I did vlog some, but after my appointment, y'all, I just wasn't in the mood. I had my Touchland Hello Kitty hand sanitizer, my Glossier lotion, some tissues, AirPods. I need a new case. But yeah, I have my AirPods. I have my case for my glasses I've been wearing because, like I said, I've been trying to keep them from getting scratched. Even though they're cheap, I still like to take care of my glasses. I have this here Touchland. This is the one we don't carry at our location because this here is the Peppermint Mocha. I have the NYX Butter Gloss. My Chanel card case, y'all. Out my Chanel. This one here was one of the items I purchased pre-loved. And lip products, y'all. This was my favorite. This Praline by House Labs. My favorite. And then I have this new NYX. But I wasn't impressed. Like, it didn't make my lips look glossy. But yeah, I got that. And then I got a Maybelline. And then I got 2 fragrance. Then I have another pack of tissues. But this is what's in here. I have some gum there. I don't know if this brand is new to Target, but y'all, this here is Starface. These here are lip balms. And oh my gosh, you all, they have like a little smiley face on the front. Is the mint scent, and they smell like mint. Here is the star fruit to get, which is watermelon and vanilla. And this is the one I carry. I carry these in my work bag because, like I said, when I don't wear makeup, I like to keep my lips hydrated. Like, my lips has to be hydrated. I have a pen. Like I said, I got this when I was on duty. I got some Lifesavers. And I got these 2 e.l.f. lip balms. So that's everything in my purse. Like I said, I love this hair purse. Because this is like, it reminds me of my Speedy. And it's not as big. Like I said, I love my Speedy. But I just wish I would have purchased a 25. I wish I would have purchased a 25, not the 30, because like someone said in the comments, she was like, a 30 and up is more like a travel bag. And I was like, you know what, you're right, because it is like stuff in there. Like, of course, I mean, you could probably fold up some clothes. Like if you got like underwears and like something small, you can roll it up and put it in that bag. I've been talking for a while. Yeah, I'm gonna have to let my camera cool down because it's overheating, because I'm using my Sony. See, my other cameras don't do that, but this one do. So again, I just wanted to shout out to Ana Luisa. Remember, everything regarding my Ana Luisa will be down in the description box, so you can see. You cannot pull it down if you're watching it on a television. You have to be on a computer, a phone, or a computer. Just remember to click that description box, y'all. It'll be twinning up in here. So with that being said, if y'all enjoyed this here video, a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Yes, click on that subscribe button, you all, my channel. And with that being said, I will talk to y'all later.